The Bambu Lab P1S, the printer half the internet has been losing their minds over for the past 2 years. I picked it up to pair with my A1 Mini because honestly, waiting around for one printer to free up when you need to print something big gets old fast. Now they'll be running side by side. Here's something most people don't know about this thing. It calibrates itself. No fiddling with screws under the bed like on budget printers, no manually leveling anything. It automatically finds the perfect gap between the nozzle and the bed every single time you print. That one feature alone eliminates like 90% of the headaches beginners usually run into. And the build quality is on another level. The frame comes fully assembled straight from the factory. No 3-hour assembly marathon following a 40-page manual. You take it out and it's basically ready to go. That's a massive shift from where this hobby used to be just a few years ago, when half the fun or the pain was building the machine yourself before you even printed anything. The enclosed design isn't just for looks either. Those panels trap heat inside the chamber, which matters more than people think. Certain materials like ABS are notorious for warping and cracking if they hit a draft mid-print. With an enclosed chamber holding a stable temperature, you can print stuff that would just fail on an open frame printer. The bed uses a flexible steel plate with a textured coating. You pop it off, flex it, and the part just releases on its own. No fighting with a spatula, no scratched prints. But honestly, the headline feature is the print head. It runs on what's called a Core XY system. Both motors move the head simultaneously along both axes instead of moving the whole bed or gantry separately. That's the difference between a printer that crawls and one that's rated up to 500 millimeters per second, something like 10 times faster than a typical budget machine. Here's a fun fact: Bambu Lab was actually founded by former DJI engineers. Yeah, the drone company, and it shows. The thermal management, the closed loop stability, the whole "it just works without babysitting it" philosophy. That's drone engineering applied to 3D printing. It's also why the AMS system exists, the module that lets you automatically switch between colors and materials mid-print, which you can add on separately. One thing worth knowing before that first power on: these printers ship with locks holding the print head and axis in place for transit. Skip removing those and you can burn out a motor in the first few seconds of operation. So that's the rundown on the P1S. Solid engineering, minimal setup, and honestly one of the best value propositions in this segment right now. Next video I'll fire it up for the first time and walk through calibration. Subscribe if you don't want to miss that.